Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is May, and for today's video I will be doing a true unboxing video of my favorite brand. Of course, it's LV. But before I start, let me share with you what I got from Louis Vuitton Singapore last month. But if you've seen my previous video, you probably know already this little souvenir that I bought from LV. Okay, open the box now. This is the confidential bandeau, which I really like because of the combination. And as we all know, you can use it as not only to accessorize the bag, but also as a scarf, to use it as a scarf, a bracelet, a headband, etc. Comment down below guys if you have something in mind aside from what I mentioned. This one cost 270 Singapore dollars before tax, and I think it's just the right price for an LV bandeau. I've seen a lot of YouTubers showing their bandeau like this one, and I really had to get one for myself when I saw this one on YouTube. Yes, YouTube made me buy it. So okay, let's move on to my unboxing. Okay, I'll get as you can see, it's still in its package. I received this last Tuesday, and I decided not to open it so I can share a real unboxing with you guys. By the way, I ordered this from a reputable online shop in IG. I will put the link below, so if you're interested, they ship worldwide and cater to a lot of brands. Okay. Yay, it's the orange box. See that? It says Maison Fondé and Paris. Okay, and here it says Louis Vuitton. Wow, I'm so excited guys. Yay! Yay, yay, yay! Yes, I requested to have a ribbon. Yes, it has a ribbon, and also I told the online shop to include the paper bag. Of course, we love the orange paper bag. And it has the ribbon. So guys, let's open the box so you can see what I ordered online. Yay! Oh, it's upside down. Yes, yes, yes. Yay! Wow! Louis Vuitton. And this is, yay! Yay! It's the Clemence wallet in rose ballerine interior. Okay. Wow. This is so nice because my 5-year-old wallet needs to be replaced now because it's so dingy. Never mind those notifications. Okay, it says Louis Vuitton coated fabric cowhide leather lining. So I love it. I was debating whether to get the Emily Rose wallet, but since it's a snap closure type of wallet, I decided to get this one because I think over time the Emily wallet will curl up because of the snap closure, and I like this one. I'll do a review next time and what it can fit. I'll transfer all my things from my old wallet, so I'll put all my cash here, my coins, cards, and I'll do that on my next video. Okay guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Missy at Home.